Now we're going to talk about energy from biomass. So you're going to see the words biomass and biofuel. They're two separate things, so let's first sort those out. Biomass is organic matter, such as wood or charcoal. Some people use dry animal waste or dead leaves or brush to release heat. So commonly used heating homes and cooking. Primarily in the developing world for heating homes and cooking food because it's readily available and easy to get. On the other side, we have biofuel, which is liquid fuels, examples ethanol, biodiesel, created from biomass such as corn, sugarcane, or palm oil. This is used as a replacement fuel source, primarily in vehicles. So biomass itself is used for heating homes. Biofuel is used for running vehicles. So, why we like biomass? Easy to access. It is renewable, so remember that it's renewable, but takes time to regenerate. So, in the case of corn, it could be a season. In the case of trees, it could be years and years. Overall, biomass is used for wood, such as cooking and heating. Corn or sugar cane, as in the high spell cane, is used for ethanol and cars. And some people burn paper in their trash for electricity. Power is generated in a couple ways. So we have combustion for cooking and heating. We have turbines for electricity, and then combustion of ethanol in our engines. Most popular is developing countries for wood for cooking and heating. The U.S. is #1 user of corn for ethanol, and Brazil uses sugarcane for ethanol. Environmental and human health problems. We have deforestation and all the things that come along with that. So deforestation, we know, leads to loss of carbon sequestration, leads to soil desertification, erosion, and runoff. So all those associated problems. We have particulate matter, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide from burning of biomass. And then with corn production for biofuels, we have fertilizers and pesticide use. This particulate matter, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide can lead to respiratory problems in people, such as asthma. And then because people are using this for home heating, particularly in developing countries, they're just burning this straight up in their homes. This leads to increased respiratory problems because of the particulate matter inside their homes. However, definitely some advantages. So, burning biomass releases CO2, but it does not increase our atmospheric CO2 because of something called modern carbon. So what this means, if we look at this little picture here in the corner, is that the carbon stored in our biomass is more modern, more recent, versus the carbon stored in fossil fuels, which has been held out of our carbon cycle for a long time. So burning it adds to our carbon monoxide, carbon levels in our atmosphere versus the biomass carbon, which is just basically being recycled. So think of this like somebody gives you $1 and then you immediately spend it. Doesn't affect really your overall net worth. Think of fossil fuels as withdrawing from your savings account and continually spending all the money out of your savings account. Overall, that's going to cause a deficit. Due to this, it's considered carbon neutral. And its last advantage is biomass is easily accessible, particularly in our developing countries.